Hi everybody, how are you? This is Tam Predicts and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do messages that you are meant to hear. So urgent messages, spirit from the spirit guides, and these are channel messages. So as many as messages as I can give you, these are all channel messages, and these are from the spirit guides, and whatever words I can channel or any special messages that I need to give to you guys. So whenever you are hearing this reading is timeless, and it's not special that if you're listening to it now, it's meant for that date or just for that day or probably a week. These are timeless messages and they apply anytime. This is a general reading, guys. I always say that might or might not resonate with you. All the messages might resonate with you. A few messages might resonate with you. So let me see what are the messages for you. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages? Energy is gaining momentum. That's nice. I think everybody is starting to get positive. I know the situation is pretty grim right now. Also, everybody is at home. But I really don't know that everybody is going to feel a little positive and that's going to gain momentum. It's like that, now that whole thing of strength is coming back. Like a song came to me that we shall overcome, that the whole, we used to sing, we shall overcome someday. And I don't know. I feel this is one of you did think of this song or, thought that this too shall pass or this will be over very soon. And even if it's going to take a month's time, that will also happen, and time shall pass and we will forget about the bad times. And I don't know why positivity is gaining momentum for you guys. That's what I get. And purple is also very healing color. It's a color of healing, and I think a lot of you are feeling that we'll fight this thing, and we'll just drive it away from earth, and COVID will never come back. So I think it is about we shall overcome. So maybe it's you will watch this next year when everything is fine. Whenever you stumble upon this video, it was about that positivity in your life is gaining momentum. You're thinking more positive. You're not thinking negative, and I think which is a brilliant thing to do right now, because positivity can keep us on the track, can keep us focused. So let me see what is the other thing. Don't let your past hold back. So don't let the situation or anything in the past that probably I would go with negative thoughts. If you're feeling negative or there were any thoughts that were holding you back or any relationship that was holding you back and not letting you grow, or you have to carry the burden of it, just let it go. Just release it and learn the lessons from it, the experiences from it, whatever it's taught you. But I think, guys, just leave it and don't worry about the past, and everything will be okay if we don't carry the burdens of the past, the baggage of the past. And new beginnings are there for us always, so don't let the past burden you at all. I didn't take the reverse. I didn't want to take the reverse because it did mean that there you need to leave the past and maybe there is a new beginning, and nothing is set in stone. So whatever the outcome of the situation is, not that necessarily it's going to be negative and it's going to be grim or it's going to be dark and gloomy. Things are not set in stone. You never know, it might be very good for a lot of businesses, and things start moving again at a good pace, and things will be fine soon. That's what I get. So those are the channel messages. I also got the words prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for the times, whatever times are there, just prepare yourself. If sometimes even the times are bad and we are very well prepared for the times, that really passes effortlessly. So we don't have to worry about it. So if you keep something away from the rainy day, like I always say for the rainy day, or if you're really prepared with finances, or you have a lot of strength, or you're just thinking positive and doing affirmations, I think you will overcome everything, any kind of difficulty that comes up in life. You're going to take on the difficulty with much ease. Look at the bigger picture. That's what I got. So look at the bigger picture. Things are going to be fine by November. Things are going to be moving. Look at the things that don't look at the smaller picture right now, that we're having a problem for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Just see that we are fighting COVID, and whenever we fight, we're going to come out victorious. We're going to COVID is going to lose the battle and we're going to win it. And let's look at the bigger picture, that in few months, maybe even if I take 3 months, 4 months maximum, things will going to settle down, and we will be back in our offices or wherever we go for business, and we will meet our friends and family. So just look at the bigger picture, and that's how things are going to look positive, and that's will take you through the bad times. So if you think positive and you think like that, that you keep imagining yourself that everything is fine right now, and I did I'm victorious over the situation, and I can meet my family, my friends, and do whatever I like. I think keep reminding yourself about that, and these dark days will also pass. Bring love into the situation. So if you're missing someone, just keep reminding them that you love them, even though they're far away. So even if you're watching this video after the COVID and things have settled down and it's next year, so just also give a lot of love to your near and dear ones. And because this situation did teach us that friends are important, family is important, and man is social, and needs to interact with other people. Man needs to interact with other people also. So that's also an important message. You'll forget about it, don't worry. Let me see what are the other messages. Emotions are high right now, everybody. That's what I feel. Probably a lot of you are really feeling emotional, and one day you're fine, the second day you're feeling depressed, like low. I also feel like a graph, like suddenly it's high, I'm very emotional, and suddenly it's like you're feeling calmer, and then you hear news, and again it goes up that you're feeling emotional, you haven't met anybody, and you're locked inside. But I think control your emotions right now, and be balanced. That's the only way to get out of this situation. Just be very calm, relax yourself, because there's nothing nobody can do. The only thing you can do is just stay at home and stay safe. Let me see what are the crystal messages. What are the crystal oracle messages? Let yourself sparkle and shine. Yeah, whatever situation you are in, you're at home or whatever the time it is, believe in yourself, believe in your self-worth, and let yourself shine, and show your side, show your bold side. That's what it says. And be bold and show your bigger than life side to the world. And you're guided by the divine light. So don't worry, just shine. Like this woman is shining, she's wearing diamonds, and she's throwing her light everywhere. So be like her. And wherever you go, if probably people look up to you to light up the room, or you have this, probably you are funny in some way, or you make people happy. So right now I think whoever you can call and just make them feel relaxed, do that. I don't know, I feel some of you are light workers who I'm talking to, and your purpose in life is to make people feel better and heal people. Or you're also a healer, I get. So a lot of you who are listening to this are healers. Your door to romance is going to open. These are urgent messages. In 6 months, I also get 6 weeks. Somebody's going to propose to you, or in 6 months, somebody's going to knock at your door and say, "I really love you." I don't know why I feel there's a commitment coming in 6 months. So if you just started going around, or you've been going around with each other, and if you are feeling, then when is he going to propose, or when is she's going to say a yes, or she's going to talk about being serious in the relationship, or he's going to talk about being serious. So that's going to happen. The door to love will open, and you won't feel caged. You feel your heart will feel nice, yeah, because the guy or the girl you're going to deal with will make you feel comfortable. Will be a good life partner. Also get celebrations and ceremonies. So whatever was delayed because of COVID situation, there are still ceremonies and celebrations that will happen once the situation is over. I get after 2 months, some celebration will happen. You wanted to celebrate with your family, or an engagement, or wedding, or could be a birthday. I don't know why you just postponed it. That after 2 months, you've given yourself a date in the head also, that after 2 months I'm going to celebrate. So yeah, it doesn't matter if the situation is like this or not, but after 2 months I feel there is some kind of celebration. So whenever you're watching this video, just add 2 months to that, and I think there's going to be a celebration or a wedding coming up, because I said this is the timeless video. Yes, I'm talking of the COVID situation, but if you're watching this anytime later, after a year, after 6 months, when the things are settled down, some kind of ceremony will come up after 2 months. That's what I get. Answered prayer. So whatever you wish for will happen. Wear green, guys, for a week. I don't know, whoever is listening to this and whoever loves green, wear green, carry green, or whatever. Have a lot of greens also. I don't know why I get that. That's more of a channel message. To keep yourself healthy, please have greens. Have a lot of greens in. Have leafy vegetables. Introduce green in your while you're eating breakfast, lunch, or dinner, in whatever way. And if you've been doing great work, that will also fetch you money. I also get green as money here. And if you've been doing work, there's been hard work, you've been sitting at home, but you've been working day and night for your office or for your business, and great things will happen for you. And the divine power is also the divine power also has your back and is there. So don't worry, just keep doing your hard work, and your prayers will be answered, whatever you've asked for. And I also thought that was a money card. Some kind of money is going to come your way. Clearing negativity. Please clear negativity. Any kind of negativity, like I was saying in the beginning. Just have positive thoughts. Violet is good for you. Whenever you're feeling low, just wear violet, carry violet, think of violet, purple. Color similar to that, I would say violet or purple. You'll feel all glittery, and you'll feel nice. And you'll feel that you're shining from within. Your health will also be better. So introduce green in your breakfast or whatever, lunch, whatever time you want to have those leafy vegetables, do have greens. Deep emotional healing is required in this pack. Also, it's coming deep emotional healing. In the other pack, it did come that you require some kind of a healing. So, guys, just heal from whatever situation it is, and things will be fine. I feel your heart is to heal. I don't know why I get that. A lot of healing in your heart. Also, get a lot of you do get migraines if you're listening to this. Also, some of you will find out that your eyesight is weak. I get the left, though I pointed out the right eye, but I feel like a left eye because when you're watching it, I don't know why I feel it's going to be a left eye. Be careful of any left eye problem, of any foreign body getting into the left eye. That's what I get, because you'll start feeling itchy and there'll be watery eyes. So be careful of the left side, left eye. um, I also get left leg. I don't know why am I getting a left side for you guys. Just be careful, whoever's been watching this. Don't twist your ankle. I get a left leg. Don't work your don't the way you're working. Just be careful, because I feel you're going to hurt your knee. Left. I'm getting a lot of left in this reading, so just be careful, guys. If you're really working out vigorously, just be careful and listen to your instructor whenever you back to the gym. If you naturally, if you're right now exercising at home, just be careful not to suddenly hurt your knee or fall on, have any kind of impact on the kneecap area. That's what I get. Let me see what other messages, any other messages I want to give to you guys. 15 is important for you. I don't know, for some 15 is important. If you're a Leo and a Sagittarius, 15 is very important for you. So I'm not doing zodiac signs, it's just what I get. Pisces have a lot of water, though you're a water sign. Pisces, I want to say, have a lot of water. Let me see what I get for Earth. Earth, I want to say, be grounded. So whatever plans you're making, Earth signs, just be grounded. Don't fly too much, like I always say. Make very strong plans. I don't know why I want to say that. That like a big tree has strong roots, or have very be very sure of your plans. That's what I want to say. Don't have very sketchy plans in your head. Write them properly. I don't want you to feel bad if it doesn't work later on. So even if you're planning a little thing, whatever small business or whatever job or whatever you're doing, whatever planning you're doing, just be very careful about planning things. To taking care of every aspect in that business or whatever job you're planning about. I also get promises that you've made will be kept, but it will take time. I get more than 4 months. I don't know why I get there are promises that were made to you. I don't know, it's a job situation, or it's about money, or it was about a loved one. Some kind of a promise was made to you, but will be fulfilled in 4 months. So I get after 4 months. I get after 4 months. So whatever 4 months from now, April, May, June, July, August, or whenever you're watching this, timeless, so 4 months from that time, there will be a promise that will be kept. Yes, also connect back to nature. If you're an animal lover, if you feed the birds, keep feeding the birds. I don't know why I got that. Some of you do feed the birds and you've not kept water today, or you haven't kept the feed out or whatever, not put the crumbs out. So do that. I don't know. I wanted to interpret it that way. I don't know why I'm getting that message for you guys. Let me see. I want to take another card also. This belongs to another deck. I don't know why it's here. Let me see another message. Don't boast so much if you've got something new or whatever the project. Don't boast about it. Don't let pride come in your way. Don't be very proud. Yeah, it is a good thing to be proud of some kind of an achievement, but don't get pride into your relationships. I don't know why I said that. Earth is going to heal. It's going to take time. I get 15 July. I get a big 15 July for COVID to just get out of the face of this earth. That's what I'm going to use harsh words for it, because COVID has really not made things right for anybody. Yeah, those are the messages. Let me see any other message that I want to give you guys. Any other numbers or anything. I also get J is important for you. News from J. News from anybody whose name starts with J, or a place that should be coming to you. Not now, but I would say in 1 month's time. J is important for you guys. So if I was listening to you and there was a project that you had to have an answer from Japan, whatever, from J. So the message is going to come to you. Let me see what are the messages. Yes, there are a lot of waiting for 9 months. They'll be waiting, 9 months from now. And you need to assess your situation from 9 months. I don't know what kind of situation you need to stop and assess, because I think you'll be undecided, or that you'll not be able to decide well, and it will take you about 9 months to decide. See the situation more clearly. It's like assessing your land. You're standing there and assessing your empire or whatever you have, and assessing the situation, and it'll take 9 months. I get people with A, C, and R and M are going to do that. I don't know why I get it. You're going to assess the situation, assess a land or some kind of a land, or assess a deal. You're going to reassess the whole thing. I also got the words make a choice. It's time to make a choice between two things. Also make that choice. Some decision is pending from your side. Make that decision. And the channel messages, the sooner you make the decision, the better it is for all of you, whoever's involved in it. That's the best thing to do. And I also get the message, don't force your decision on anybody. Let the person act out of free will. Don't force a decision. If you want to go take path A, doesn't mean the other person you'll also force to take path A. Also let the person decide for himself or herself. That's also I get. Make no blunders. Also I get. Breathe easy. There's another message. Breathe easy, guys. Anybody who's not been breathing, it's been really. I get anxiety attacks. I don't know why I get one or two. Whoever's listening to this is getting anxiety attacks these days. So just calm down. Don't worry. Things will be okay. Don't be too greedy about a project. If it's paying you X amount of money, take it. That's what I get. Don't be too greedy. Otherwise, the project is going to slip out of your hands and it will go to somebody else. Especially if you're dealing with somebody whose name begins with F, or the company begins with F. Also act upon your plans, otherwise it'll get rusted, is another message that I get. Let me see if I get any other love message. 7 number is important for you guys. Also, if you're talking about 5 projects, 2 will work and 3 will not work in that. That's what I get. I also get in 2 months, one of you will buy a house. Some of you will buy a house, whoever's listening to this. And name will start with A if your name starts with A, if your name starts with R, if your name starts with N, S, and T. That's what I get. You're going to buy a house. You're going to buy a house. That's what I get. You're going to buy a house. Anything else? I'm going to see one more message if I can get. Some of you have been baking. I get somebody who've been baking, and you've taken baking as your business. I don't know why I get that. Broaden your horizons. That's another message I get. So those are messages for whoever, Door to romance, I said it came second time also. It will open. 6 months. 6 months from wherever. 6 is important whenever you are watching this. The person will be very loving. Your hard work will pay off. Your hard work will pay off, Capricorn. If you're a Capricorn, your hard work will pay off. So believe in whatever you're doing. And if you're a Sagittarian, luck will be on your side. Also, November things will happen for a lot of you. Good things will happen financially, I think. I don't know why I get that. I was doing other readings also, and November came up as a good month for finances. And I think financially, November is going to be a fantastic month for a lot of people. New beginnings. For a lot of people, business is going to be good. It's going to be stable. If the situation is going to be fine, a lot of things will be fine, guys. Also, don't burden someone with your thoughts unnecessarily. If the person is not receptive, doesn't want to have a chat with you, don't burden the person with your thoughts, what you think about the person. And I think it's better to leave in that situation. Don't burden the person. The person is not open, will not listen to you right now, and you will find you a burden, your talk a burden. Release negativity. I get Scorpio, please release negativity if there's any negativity in your sign. So not that I'm doing sign wise, but whatever I think is right. I'm getting blue color a lot. So I don't know if it's your favorite color, whatever. A lot of people's favorite color, wear blue. If the day you get depressed, no, I'm going to say wear blue. Normally, I would say wear a red, to just charge you up for you to feel energetic. But I feel if you're really feeling depressed, or wear blue that day. I don't know why I feel it'll make you feel better. Make you wear a light blue. Take time to breathe out. See, I got a blue. The moment I was saying blue, it's all blue here. So maybe that's going to calm you down if you're having an anxiety attack or whatever. Blue is going to be good for you. Yeah, that's what I get. So, guys, these were your messages, and I hope you enjoyed that. So, there were a lot of messages. Might be true for some people, might not be true for anybody. All the messages might resonate. Few messages might resonate. So, all the best. Thank you so much for taking out your time, precious time, and listening to me. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And do comment. I always read the comments. And tomorrow I'll be back with another kind of reading. Thank you so much. You can also comment what kind of readings would you like to hear. What kind of predictions you want me to hear. Do you want me to do automatic writing or whatever, or any kind of prediction, zodiac, money, love, any kind of situation, manifestations, or anything about angels or guardian angels, whatever you want me to talk about, I can do that. So thank you guys. Good night. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.